Start.
Greetings to all. Today we will have an explanation and detail to look at the solar system we built. First of all, we are class 8 students from Beulah English Medium School, and my name is Lan Lupuye.
My name is Eva Somsoyo.
My name is Baby Sila Nungoye.
Let's move on to the explanation of our solar washing machine. We are planning to come up with this solar washing machine because in our locality, power supply sometimes it is interrupted due to several factors like heavy rain, wind, and storm. And in summer, due to high temperature, we can use a normal washing machine. Due to this interrupted power, we can wash our clothes nor dry it properly. So, our solar washing machine will help us to overcome our problem. Its disadvantage: it can be utilized effectively even in location with a unstable power supply. This is particularly disadvantageous for us, as we reside in tribal hilly areas frequently experience poor power supply, since it can be charged using solar power and does not rely or grid electricity. It is highly beneficial and excellent.
The importance of a solar washing machine: reduce electricity cost. Washing machines are high power appliances by using solar energy, which is free once of the system is installed. Homeowners can significantly lower their monthly electricity bills and achieve a return on investment over time. The importance of solar washing machines for residents in tribal hilly areas. Hilly or remote areas often face unreliable electricity supply and frequent power cuts. A solar washing machine, which runs on stored solar energy, provides consistent and dependable means to wash clothes, ensuring daily chores are not interrupted.
Thank you.